Costa, a woman from Oakland, will spend 4 years behind bars after her toddler died when he was exposed to drugs 2 years ago. That was the ruling today from a judge in Kennebec County in the case of the state of Maine versus Ashley Malloy.
News Center Maine's Chloe Tebow was in the courtroom today and has a look at what happened.
2 months ago, Ashley Malloy pleaded guilty to manslaughter in the death of her 14-month-old son Karson, as well as 3 Class B drug counts. Today, Malloy's attorney called for a path to rehabilitation for a young woman with a troubled upbringing, while prosecution pushed to honor a child's life gone too soon.
Ms. Malloy, will you please stand for testimony?
Monday morning in Augusta, a decision.
On count 1, the charge of Class A manslaughter, I sentence you to 10 years with all but 4 years suspended and 6 years of probation.
Determining the next decade of 23-year-old Ashley Malloy's life. It comes after the death of her toddler son Karson in November of 2021, brought on by exposure to fentanyl on sheets where he was napping.
And I will say it again, there was no safe space for Karson in that environment.
Prosecutor Lisa Bogue was pushing for a more severe sentence, saying Malloy played a bigger role in drug operations at her apartment than the defense said. Bogue also argued Malloy did not initially cooperate with law enforcement.
She starts from the very beginning saying, I don't know what happened to my child.
Bogue brought 2 people to the stand on Monday, Karson's father and paternal grandmother.
We're haunted by the thoughts of the suffering he may have endured and the experiences he will never have.
Defense attorney John Pelletier pointed to Malloy's young age of just 21 years old when Karson died. He said she was lonely as a single mother and naive and got involved with the wrong crowd.
And young people lack life experience. They lack the life experience to assess the consequences of their actions.
Actions Pelletier said were also brought on by a tough childhood for Malloy, who was emancipated when she was 16.
She didn't have guidance when she was growing up.
On Monday, Malloy said she will never forgive herself for what happened.
I'm so sorry. I didn't protect you the way I should have as your mother. My love for you is unconditional.
Malloy does have an option to appeal this sentence. We have not heard from her attorney about whether that's something she's choosing to do. In Augusta, Chloe Tebow, News Center Maine.